Hey, what is up YouTube? Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really appreciate that. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notifications button to stay up to date with my videos. And what I have for you guys today is a microphone arm stand review by a company called TONOR. And this microphone arm stand is going to be very similar to the arm stand that is in this video right here, which includes a microphone arm stand part of this condenser microphone kit. Except this is going to be just the arm stand by itself, and it's supposed to be an upgraded arm stand. And this arm stand can directly replace the arm stand that was in this microphone set. So if you have that microphone set and you want a new arm stand, you can go ahead and buy this one. It could directly replace that. And just really quick before we get started, I just want to show you this on Amazon really quick. I have the page up on my computer. I also got a new computer. Check this out. So here's the Amazon page right here, guys. If you look over here, this microphone arm stand goes for $29.99, comes with free shipping. And then if we look over here, shows you everything it comes with. And I'm gonna go ahead and link this page down in the description of this video in case you wanna check it out for yourself. And also, this microphone arm stand is going to be great for people who own the Blue Yeti USB condenser microphone, because this arm stand is designed to hold that one as well. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get right into this. As usual, we will be doing a quick unboxing, followed by a demonstration, followed by a review, followed by hitting that like button. Alright guys, so this is everything that came inside the box. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at what we got. Over here we got the instruction manual. Right here we got like a little warranty card thing. Over here we got a pop filter. Over here we got like a little clown nose to put over your mic. We got some Velcros to help with your cable management. Right here we do have the heavy duty clamp that I do remember is saying in the description on Amazon that it came with like a more heavy duty clamp. Right here we got a little microphone mount. This is some threading, depending on what kind of fitting your microphone has. This is kind of like a little adapter. And then of course we have the actual arm stand, and it did come with a nifty warning letting us know that this is spring-loaded. So I thought, like, while we have this out, we might as well go ahead and take a look at the original TONOR arm stand that came in this mic setup. And I thought, let's go ahead and compare the two to each other to see what exactly is different. And right off the bat, let's go ahead and look at the clamp for your desk. This is the clamp that this kit comes with. Let me put it right there. Let me get a good focus on that. And now let's go ahead and look at the new one. The new one is way beefier. Check that out. That is huge. That is huge. Look at that. New one on the left. Old one on the right. That is a significant difference. Of course, you know, we have the pop filter. I actually have the original pop filter over here, and that's the one that came with that mic kit. And let's just go ahead and compare it to the new one. It's probably the same. Like, I don't see why that would be any different. But yeah, it looks like it's the exact same pop filter. It looks like it's the exact same size. You know, it has a double screen. Then we got the, you know, the clown nose. It looks like it's the exact same one in the new kit. You know, that's cool that you get that new stuff, you know. And then we have the actual arm stand itself and these Velcros right here. Let's go ahead and see what we had in the original box. So it looks like we didn't actually get any Velcros with the original mic setup. But what we do have here is the original arm stand that came in this mic package. And on the right side, this is the new arm stand. And the original had a cable integrated into it. And that's probably why the new arm stand came with these Velcros. It's so that you can tie your cables up to the side of the arm stand. But let's just go ahead and compare the two arm stands to each other. The new one is much beefier. Check that out. It has these two rails on the sides to add some additional support. If you look at this one, those rails just are not existent. The new arm stand definitely looks a lot beefier. This attachment that goes into the clamp is also quite a bit longer than the original. It actually looks like to the original arm stand I did a little bit of damage. This plastic piece is cracked and I think that's supposed to be in there. I'm not really sure, but I kind of broke something there. But yeah, the new arm stand, you know, has this longer stem and a much sturdier clamp. So let's go ahead and set it up and see just how it works. Alright guys, so I went ahead and set up the arm stand, and I gotta say, the base feels really sturdy, like way sturdier than the old one. And also, when you slide in the actual arm stand into the base, you don't have to do anything, you just kind of slide it in there. Like, I could take it out by just lifting it out, and to put it back in, you just put it back in, and I mean, it just stays in there nicely. And say if you don't want this huge thing like on your desk, like say you're doing something else, you can't have that in the way, easily just take it out, put it off to the side. You could even leave the clamp in, and it's really like not in the way at all. It's just as if you have like a little thing right there on your desk, you'd still work, you know? Really cool. Also, it looks like Tonor got a new logo. It's like a whale. It's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and put the arm stand back in, and we'll go ahead and put in a couple microphones into this thing, connect a couple microphones, and see how it holds up. So let's just go ahead, try out a standard, you know, dynamic microphone. If you have something like a Shure SM58, it should fit into this microphone holder, no sweat. So let's just go ahead, try out a couple mics. Next up, we have the Samson Q2U. Next, let's try the Blue Yeti. And look at that, guys. It even supports the Blue Yeti, which is, you know, it's not a very light mic, you know, it's sort of heavy. Let's go ahead and move this arm a little bit, just see how, yeah, guys, the arm stand feels very sturdy. Like, I can move it into position, and it is not budging. You also got this right here, you could adjust the tightness of that. I mean, look at that, guys. It is supporting it perfectly. And just for the fun of it, let's just go ahead and try my AT4040. And there you guys have it, my AT4040 with the shock mount on the Tonor arm stand. This thing is, you know, it's sturdy. You know, it feels good quality. It feels like it's good quality. It's also quiet. So if you got to adjust the mic while you're talking, you know, you're probably not going to notice that. I kind of feel like finishing off this video using the arm stand and the mic. So yeah, guys, I thought I would go ahead and add a little bit of production value to this video by recording this outro using the actual mic stand itself. But as you can tell, guys, I'm pretty happy with this thing. It's very sturdy. It can hold the weight of, you know, a decent weighted mic, a large mic like the Blue Yeti. I think it works really well. You know, I could go ahead and move it out of the way if I don't want to use it. move it back when I want. I mean, it's just very practical to have. It's only $30, and one thing that a lot of people might not think about is that mic stands are expensive. Like this mic stand that I have over here, like this regular old mic stand right here, that was like $70. And this mic stand right here, it's only $30. I feel like that's not bad at all. Mic stands are kind of one of those things where like I feel like people don't expect them to be expensive, but they actually are expensive. Kind of like guitar cases. Like guitar cases are like expensive, and like the same goes for mic stands. You might not think that it would be, but yeah, they are kind of they're pricey. They are pricey. But I think it's totally a practical tool to have. I think it's awesome. Once again, guys, it'll be down there in the description of this video, the link for this. And I'm going to go ahead and put the links for all the mics that I showed in this video, like this one, the AT4040, the Samson Q2U, and the Blue Yeti. I'll have the links to all those down in the description of this video in case you want to check any of those out. And once again, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more videos by me in the future, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notifications button. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.